BiBi helps the truck. Spring festival time is coming, and as always, all the girls and women will receive flowers this day. Some of those flowers will be brought by our friend Truck. It just came from the south where there are many flower farms. Now is in a rush to bring the flowers in time for the festival. Look how dirty this guy is. Police officers will never let it come into town. They say the license plate is invisible. Don't worry, we'll find a car wash, no problem.
Bibi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here, clean so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. Bibi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. Here is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. Bibi fixes all disorders. Bibi.
Good day. How can I help?
And so the truck told BiBi about the flowers and how he was in a rush, coming all the way down from the south, trying to be on time. He said it got really dirty and that policemen couldn't let him in.
I see.
And that's why it needed to have a good shower.
Oh! Well, let's wash ya. Please. Let's see. First, we need to wash your dirty wheels. Great! The dirtiest part of any car is its bottom. Let's give it a good wash. Cool! Now we can wash your body and the cabin. We're gonna use some foam as well. Awesome! Guess we've done here. Let's have a look-see. Oh! I'll tell you what. Why don't we make you shine? Let's polish you. So, what should we choose?
How about this?
No, that's my teddy bear. What's it doing here?
How about this one?
This can work, but it'll take quite a bit of time. And we don't have much time.
And what's this?
A polishing machine is just what we're looking for. Looks like that's it. Let's check the plate once again. Good, you're ready. Go hit the festival.
The truck was so happy to be clean again. It thanked BiBi and was on its way.
Good luck.
And so the truck went back into town where he met the same police car. The police car didn't even recognize it, because it was so clean. And the truck visited every flower shop it intended to visit. All the flowers were alright. On the way back, the truck felt great. It was happy about the weather and happy surrounding atmosphere.